I am often asked what it is that I do, and this usually takes more than a few words to describe, because there are currently only a handful of advisors in the UK that offer clients the advice process that I provide. Most clients will have had no similar experience or heard about life planning in a financial context, so hopefully this short talk will go some way to providing an explanation. I am a financial life planner. I specialise in advising private clients who think that planning their futures so that they can achieve meaningful lives is important. I follow the George Kinder approach to life planning and spend time with clients, getting them to tell me what is in their heart's core, what will make their lives feel fulfilled and truly worthwhile. Life planning is the essential first step in our advice process, and while it is an important element on its own, it is the essential precursor to the work that follows. It is during our life planning meetings that a client talks about their innermost feelings and cherished desires, and leads to the lighting of their torch, which gives them the impetus and the enthusiasm to go forward. Once the client has embarked upon the journey towards the dream that really drives them in their life, their financial plan is no longer dull, it is no longer a chore, it is no longer something to be put on one side if times get tough, because the financial plan becomes the tool, the route through which their dreams will be achieved. During the next stage of our advice process, I use my skills as a financial planner to show clients what their financial future looks like. My aim is to make clients feel happy and relaxed about their future. I work with them in showing them how to apply their financial resources so that they can achieve their most cherished goals and desires in the least possible time, and with the minimum amount of risk. In this process, we use Prestwood's Truth software, which is recognised as being the best and most comprehensive financial planning software available. Financial plans are comprehensive and include all known financial considerations, both now and in the future. The potential effects of disaster or catastrophe are demonstrated, discussed, and appropriate action recommended. In addition, what-if scenarios are considered, showing the effects of retiring early or late, selling a business, downsizing a house, or receiving an inheritance. Projecting lifetime cash flow is central to the financial plan. The plan is generic in nature and leaves any discussion of a specific financial product to the stage that follows. In the third stage, I use my skills as a highly qualified independent financial advisor to advise on appropriate investments, insurances and financial products if they are suggested by the financial plan. Investment risk and personal risk are assessed and discussed, and action recommended when appropriate. If life assurance is required, advice will be based on an analysis of product details and include a premium comparison. Investment will usually include a risk analysis, a suggested model portfolio based on asset allocation, and a recommendation of funds. Product knowledge and experience is essential, and as an independent financial advisor, recommendations are based on a whole-of-market choice. Our clients are not restricted to the products or funds of a sole provider or a limited range of what is available. My typical clients are professional or business people who have sufficient income or assets to allow them to make choices about their future. We offer a comprehensive service and, when necessary, involve other professionals in key areas of planning, usually acting as a link between our clients' other professional advisors in ensuring that everyone works together to achieve what is most important. My clients are usually busy people who benefit from working with a life planner and trusted advisor so that they get the most out of their lives. The time that they spend with us is time for them and their families, time that, while being of utmost importance, is often neglected due to their professional or business demands. We limit the number of clients that we advise to around about 100. in order that we can maintain the individual level of service that our comprehensive planning requires. The key factor to someone becoming one of our clients is the willingness to work together and take our advice in order to plan a better future for themselves and their families, combined with an ability and willingness to pay our fees. We are fee-based advisors and comprehensively offset income received from all sources against our fees. In accordance with the requirements of the Financial Services Authority, we maintain a viable and profitable business, and we believe that we earn our remuneration by providing real value to our clients. While we believe that everyone could benefit from this service, we only have a limited capacity in order that the clients who we work with get the best service and attention. Before clients are engaged, we conduct an exploratory meeting to discover if life planning and financial planning would be of significant value and benefit. If you would like to arrange an initial meeting to see if you could benefit, why not get in touch?